Hey guys, this is Math 116. We're on section 6.1. Okay, we are starting the money and interest rate problem, so hang on. Let's just start with question number 11. So, if you lend $3,500 to a friend, are you lending this as a gift? No! You're giving it to them for 15 months at 8% annual simple interest. That's a good friend, because you're not compounding the interest. Anyway, it says find the future value of the loan. Okay, so here's formula number 1 that you need to know. This is on page 371, and the formula is interest. This is I equals principal times rate times time, and this is for annual simple interest, so we're not compounding it. And note that the rates for rate and time must agree. So if your rate is annual, your time has to be annual, or if your rate is monthly, your time has to be monthly. Okay, so let's work this one out. Question number 11. I will do it over here. Question number 11. So we're lending a friend $3,500. So in this case, the principal, so the amount that is being lent out, is $3,500. The rate is equal to 0.08, and that's annual, so that's in terms of years. And the time is equal to 15 divided by 12 is equal to 5/4. So it's 5/4 of a year. So we want to make time into years. So how many years is it? Well, it's 1.25 years. So we said 15 months divided by 12 months per year makes 5/4 of a year. So again, this is what I mean when I say the rate and the time has to agree. So now they're both in terms of years. So interest is equal to principal times rate times time. So that's $3,500 times 0.08 times 5/4, which is equal to $350. So you are making $350 of interest on this loan. But you'll notice it says find the future value of the loan. This word right here, future value. So future value, actually that's just tour value. Future value. Future value is down here. New formula. Future value is equal to S. S is the letter they use to designate future value, and I don't know why, but I always think Superman's from the future, but then I remember, no, he's not from the future. He's just from outer space. Okay, future value S equals principal plus interest. So essentially, how much are you getting back in your 15 months? S, I'll make it red for Superman, future value is equal to the principal, how much he owes you, plus the interest. That makes sense, right? When he pays you back, you're going to get the $3,500 he owes you, your friend, plus the $350. So the total that you're going to get back is $3,850. So the future value is $3,850. So to answer question number 11, you needed 2 formulas, and here they are. So if you're starting a little note card of formulas from chapter 6, put these 2 formulas on there. Okay, let's look at this next question. Question number 37. Find the 83rd term of the arithmetic sequence where the first term is 6 and the common difference is -1/3. So arithmetic sequences are ones in which the difference between each term is the same. So in this case, we're starting at 6. Like this. This is an arithmetic sequence. And the reason we put these in with financial models is because this represents how some loans build. So you would have 6 is the first term, and then you're going to hop over -1/2. So the next one would be 5.5. That would be the second term. Do you see how this works? So second term, first term, third term, you're going to hop back -1/2. It looks like I'm going forward. I should be starting over here, 6, and hopping this way. But so it'd be -1/2, so the third term is 5, etc. So it's tedious, though, to try to find the answer this way. So you're going to use this formula. This is page 374. The nth term, so if you want the third term, that would be n is 3. The nth term is a to the n, that's the symbol, is a to the 1, that's the first term, plus n minus 1 times d, where d, delta, is the common difference. So let's use this new formula over here. So in our situation, hello pen, there. In our situation, we have n is equal to 83. We want the 83rd term. So you can see that hopping this way for 83 times, that's not a good plan, you guys. Our common difference is -1/2, and A1, the starting term, is equal to 6. So here's the formula. So the 83rd term, A83, the 83rd term, is equal to, here's the formula again, A1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So this is equal to 6, that's the first term, plus n minus 1 is 83 minus 1. Common difference is -1/2. So your answer here is -35. So if you kept going, boom, 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 you'd get to -35. So now you have 3 equations. There's the answer. Here's, I'll say equals a to the n. There's another formula. So now we're up to 3 formulas that you want to have on your card. Okay, here's one more problem from this section. Question 49, profit. Who doesn't like profit? Everyone does. A new firm loses, $44,000 in the first month. Okay, but investors take heart. Its profit increases by $800 in each succeeding month for the next year. Well, good for them. What is the profit in the 12th month? Okay, so when you're looking at this problem, one thing to notice is the profit here, because it is, let me get a little page out here. So this is question number 49. So the first month you had -$8,000. Well, that's too bad. So that was the first month. The next month, the profit is going up by $400. I'll go back to the problem. See? Oops, $800. Ah, look, I got my 8s and my 4s backwards. The profit is going up by $800. Let's go back to the paint page. So this is $4,000, and it's going up by $800. So the next month, second month, do you see what's happening here? It's going to be -$3,200. Well, okay, that's still not that great. Next month, it's going to go up another $800. So what's that? See, -200, 6 minus 6. What's that going to be? I'm going to go with $2,400, like that. Anyway, so keep going. So the question is, what happens when you get to, you keep going to month 12? Well, what you want to recognize is this is an arithmetic sequence, because the difference between each thing is exactly the same number. It's not a multiple. It is $800, arithmetic sequence. The first term is equal to -4,000, sorry. The common difference is equal to $800, and we want to know what happens when n equals 12. That would be the 12th month. 12th month. So we're going to use the same formula. So we have A12, that's the 12th month, is equal to here's the formula, A1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So this is -4,000 plus n minus 1 is 12 minus 1. Some of you are thinking, that's 11. Yes, it is. Excellent job. So the 12th term here is, it's -4,000 plus 11 times 800, blah, 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 4,800. So the profit for the 12th month, on month number 12, is actually positive. Yay. Yay, team. Is equal to $4,800. So you should be able to do these 3 problems for your practice test and for the final. Let me know if you have questions.